Slope stability is a critical challenge in civil engineering, impacting projects like embankments, landfills, and riverbank restoration. Geosynthetics have proven effective in improving shallow slope stability by reinforcing topsoil and enhancing shear strength. Vegetation also plays a vital role in slope stabilization. Through their extensive root systems, plants stabilize shallow slopes, providing sustainable solutions. This ecological slope protection integrates landscape, culture, and ecology, restoring natural ecosystems. Plant roots enhance the shear strength of the soil root matrix, contributing to slope stability. Geosynthetics are essential during construction, mitigating soil loss and supporting dense vegetation growth, which protects against erosion. Life cycle cost analysis evaluates the total expenses of geosynthetics over their lifespan. This assessment highlights their long-term financial benefits, reducing maintenance needs and enhancing durability. Water-induced erosion degrades soil quality, leading to reduced crop yields. Understanding this relationship is crucial for evaluating agricultural impacts. Soil erosion occurs when topsoil is displaced by natural forces, diminishing overall soil quality. Our experiments focused on optimal organic soil thickness for plant growth. Observations indicated that a 5-centimeter topsoil layer was optimal for root development and improving shear strength parameters. We analyzed root system development across varying soil thicknesses. Results showed that roots significantly impact soil stability, with denser root systems providing greater protection against erosion. Direct shear tests assessed the influence of roots on shear strength. Our findings indicated that roots enhance cohesion in sandy soils while improving internal friction angles. This is crucial for slope stability. Integrating geosynthetics and vegetation offers a sustainable approach to erosion control. This method not only enhances slope stability, but also contributes to ecological restoration, promoting the health of our natural landscapes.